Can you buy fractional shares on Webull? Webull allows investors to buy fractional shares, enabling them to invest in small dollar amounts rather than needing to purchase whole shares. This feature has become increasingly popular among investors looking to diversify their portfolios without requiring significant upfront capital. With Webull, fractional shares are available for select stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, identifiable by a green diamond icon on the platform. The minimum investment is $5, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. The process for purchasing fractional shares on Webull is straightforward. Users can switch their trade setting from shares to dollars to specify the monetary amount they wish to invest. There are no commissions or account fees associated with fractional share purchases on Webull, aligning with the platform's reputation for low-cost trading. However, fractional shares are limited to a curated list of securities determined by Webull, which may restrict some investors' choices. One notable advantage of fractional shares is that they allow for precise diversification, even with modest investment sums. For example, an investor can own portions of high-priced stocks like Tesla or Amazon without needing thousands of dollars. Webull also supports dividend reinvestment for fractional shares, enabling automatic reinvestment of earnings, further enhancing compounding benefits over time. However, there are some disadvantages. Webull's fractional share offerings do not extend to mutual funds or all stocks. This limitation may deter investors who seek broader options. The platform is best suited for those who prefer equities and ETFs, as it lacks comprehensive support for bonds and other asset classes. Furthermore, while Webull's no-commission model is appealing, the platform's reliance on payment for order flow, PFOF, could lead to slightly slower or less favorable execution of trades compared to brokers that do not use PFOF. Webull's interface is beginner-friendly, with a mobile-first design and straightforward navigation. The app provides basic educational content and market data, making it a good entry point for novice investors. However, advanced investors may find the research tools and screeners less robust compared to competitors. Additionally, Webull does not offer in-person support or extensive retirement planning options, which may be a drawback for those seeking more comprehensive financial services. Overall, Webull is an attractive platform for fractional share investing due to its low barriers to entry and cost-efficient structure. Its limitations in asset diversity and research depth may not suit all investors, but for those focusing on equities and ETFs, it provides a practical and accessible way to build a diversified portfolio.